Today's episode, we explore the haunted Carmichael House. Come with us on a journey of ruins, fireplaces and treacherous tales. Good afternoon everybody. A big hello from Senyk Explorers. Today we are at Carmichael House. So this was part of the Carmichael estate, built again in the 1800s. So let's have a tour and show you around. Steeped with heritage in here. See the old cobbled floors. Not much to say here. I'm told there's a pet cemetery in here at the back. Look at that fireplace, man. Absolutely beautiful. I'm presuming this was one of the main living rooms. So let's continue to walk through. You upstairs?
No.
I'm videoing, I'll knock at you, innit?
I'm thinking, should I hop over these beams?
No, don't be so stupid.
I'm not gonna lie, like standing here, babe, I literally went.
Well,
Maybe I'm just getting...
well, I'm taking a video, so if you don't want your voice in it. That's Stephen again, everybody. Are these climbing? He is a fully qualified climber. That's why he goes up these places. I don't. Absolutely huge, massive. We are going to go through there. Nothing else much that could fall down, to be perfectly honest. I do love these old buildings. So another fireplace. Wondering if this was some type of drainage for under the floor. It's quite strange, if you can see this. And it runs right the way through the house. Do you know what I mean, guys? Or was it water? Was it heating? Does anybody know? Another fireplace. Absolutely buzzing with these finds. I will find the pet cemetery that everyone's been talking about. I mean, there's not much of this left, but the absolute heritage of it, wow. It's just fantastic. I'm actually going to walk through the other side because it does look a bit safer. But yeah, fascinated by this because it runs all the way through. So water, heating, I just don't know. But if anybody knows, comment. So yeah, today we've been all over. We've done so many explores today. And we've still got one more left to do. And there's 3 buildings through there. See, these come all the way through here as well. I'm not going to be a daredevil and go up there because Stephen said they're a little bit unsafe. But yeah, amazing. Beautiful, beautiful place. So that's it for the first house, guys. Thanks for joining us. We'll be back with video part 2. Carmichael House was the historic seat of the clan Carmichael. It was built in the 17th century to replace a 14th century castle that stood on the land. It was largely demolished after being used by Polish forces in World War II and had its roof removed to avoid taxes in 1952. The house and its original grand plans were never fully realised, with only the north and south wings completed to a degree. Today, the remaining structure stands as a Category B listed building and a testament to the family's long legacy, while the Carmichael estate continues to be a working estate with a heritage centre, farm shop and holiday cottages. I hope you've enjoyed our explore today as we went around the Carmichael estate. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, if you like our content, share it with your friends, subscribe and give us a comment.